Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up your chart that you use in Canva. First of all, we have to go for charts and pick some kind of chart that you want to. Let's go with this one. It's very basic one. You can use the percentage when you click on this button, or you make it slimmer, you make it more fat, and also use the percentage. The bar has 100%, obviously, and let's say you want to say like something has 45%, like this. You can use it. It's very easy to set up. You can flip it, I believe, yeah, like this. You can go 90 degrees, and you can use it as additive to your video. It's completely easy, very easy to set up. You can always roll with it. You can change the percentage thinner. You don't even have to use the round endpoints. So that's about it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.